I am defining root pattern. See, I don't speak from mind, I speak from spontaneity. Listen. Root pattern is nothing but the pattern through which you keep your struggle, your impossibility, your inauthenticity alive. Why you don't want to have a breakthrough? Because if you have a breakthrough, then more and more possibility for transformation will open up. I have seen when people come to the ashram in the name of seekers and sannyasis, they don't want to take up any responsibility and make it successful, because if they do one, then that naturally the reward for one success is one more responsibility. Please understand, the reward for one success is one more responsibility. So understand, root pattern is what Buddha calls as Mara, Advaita calls as Maya, in every tradition, what we consider as the biggest blockage for enlightenment is root pattern. But do you know the funny thing? The root pattern is not that powerful as it is portrayed in many traditions. Mara is not that powerful. Maya is not that powerful. Please listen. Just few days before, myself and one of my Mahant, both of us were going for an evening boat ride. When we went, don't ask. Just few hours somehow we stole from our tight routine, and myself and Moksha Priyananda, we were sitting. So that time there was a discussion, very serious discussion. It is very difficult to get Moksha Priyan serious. So there was a very serious discussion about why our vision department has no vision. He was telling, Swamiji, we should need to bring new hands, new people inside, because these guys constantly they are in the fear syndrome. I asked why, tell me. He said, they do some mistake and then get fired and fall into the fear. Because of the fear, they do more mistake, and it becomes a vicious circle for them. I was laughing. Please understand. I told him, this moment I am ready to liberate them all. I'll be the most happiest person to liberate in them this moment. Say that this moment you became a Sri Mahant. You became head. Run it on your own. I am the first person, I will be the first person to tell. Because if you keep anybody under fear, you will be kept under fear. Understand? Whatever you maintain with people around you, you will be made to maintain that. It's a law of life. If you maintain a joy with people around you, you will be made to maintain joy inside you. If you maintain trust with people around you, you will be made to maintain trust inside you, because you are not intelligent enough to separate you and others all the time. So be very clear what you spread with the people around you. That will be automatically forced inside you. If you are all the time inside a charcoal godown, naturally the charcoal dust pieces will get into your system. If you are all the time inside an acid tank, naturally the acid will somehow get into your system. If you are all the time in the nectar part, naturally the nectar will get into your system. So what is the pattern with which you hold people around you? I am the last person, not even last. I will never want to hold people through fear, because I know the signs. If I have to hold people through fear, I will be held by the fear. It's a law of life. I always wanted to hold the people by inspiration, joy, vision, success, bliss, powerfulness, completion. I asked him, please you find the solution, come back to me with some solution. I am sharing this incident just to reveal this one important truth. With what you hold the people around you is your root pattern.